Did you know your brain can learn to give up even when you could easily escape? Here's how this psychological trap works without you realizing it. Scientists did this famous experiment. They put people in a room with loud, annoying noise they couldn't control. No matter what they tried, the noise kept going. Then they moved these same people to a different room where they could easily stop the noise by moving their hand. But here's the crazy part. Most of them just sat there and suffered. They didn't even try. Their brains had learned to be helpless. This happens to you too. When you face stress you can't control, your brain starts believing you're powerless everywhere. You stop asking for promotions at work. You accept bad treatment in relationships. You don't pursue opportunities that could change your life. The scariest part? You don't realize it's happening. Your brain quietly convinces you that trying is pointless, even when escape is right there. This learned helplessness shapes your entire life, keeping you trapped in situations you could actually change.